Um, if you were watching, you start. You can do it. You can do it. Trust me, you can do it. You're starting out with your weight on your left because you're going to start walking with your right and do what they call that sugar push. And that sugar push, I will show you real quick, is just a 1, 2, 3, and then you're stepping back. Okay, so to start out with, when you're going 5, 6, 7, and 8, you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting out again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do it again. That's what my son always said. Read it again. Read it again. Okay. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When we come out of that, we're going to go into a coaster step. So we're going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Yep. That's it. Left will be forward. I'm hearing fairy music somewhere. That's what it sounds like, fairy. Okay. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. Everybody there? Your next 2 steps are going to be a 7 and 8. That's your first 8. So let's practice the first 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. You're going to do the same thing with the sugar push, the walk, sugar push, except this time after your coaster step, you'll only turn a quarter, not a half, but a quarter to your left. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And we should be facing that wall. So that's the first 16. First 16. Okay, so let's start from the beginning and put all that together. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Everybody's ready to go into a jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you're gonna jump, and it's 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're going to do a heel, a toe, and a heel. That's the hardest part, I think. That's the hardest part. Everybody's got let's start from the beginning. I'm not going to assume anything. Okay, let me start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. I know I forgot. I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you to step touch. Right after, instead of the jazz box. Instead of the jazz box, once you've come out, you've done your quarter to your left, you step, touch, then your jazz box. Okay. The step touch? Yeah. Yes. So we're going to, once we come out of, we've turned a quarter to the left, we're going to step forward with our right, touch, step left, touch, then do your jazz box. That makes more sense to me because I was wondering how I ended up on a 7 and an 8 when I was doing that. Yeah. Okay. 5, so we're going to start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, and jazz box. We're there. Okay, now you will jump for and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm not good on that count. They say and 1, 2, excuse me?
The count, when they do it, is they count the knees. It's 1 and 2. Like 1, 2.
So anyway, I'm going to say listen to the music, because you know at the music part when you've got to jump 5, 6, or 7, 8, and then you're going to heel and toe. If you don't, then you won't end up in the right spot. And I listen to the beat of the music, and that's how I know, you know, once I do the 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that's how I know the beat. And I listen to the music, I'm sorry. That's the best I know. From the beginning, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you're going to walk and start all over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Half turns. 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Your quarter turn. Step, touch, step, touch.